What is up, guys? Welcome back to Double O's Garage. In this video, I'm going to be upgrading my stock turbo inlet pipe with one made by Forged Motorsports. With this, I'm going to be upgrading my stock diverter valve with one made by 034 Motorsports. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack up the car and get it on jack stands. So now that I got the front end jacked up, I'm going to start by removing the vent for the airbox and the passenger side headlight. Now that the vent and the headlight are removed, I'm going to continue by unplugging the N75 valve, and then I'm also going to disconnect the MAF sensor. Now since the MAF sensor is disconnected, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the MAF sensor and the filter. After that, I'm just going to cut this hose clamp right here. Next, I'm going to remove this lower hose clamp. So I ended up cutting the OEM turbo inlet just so I could get this hose out. There's going to be 3 more hose clamps holding on this intake boot. I'll come back once I remove them. It's a little bit hard to film inside there. Once you have those 3 hose clamps removed, there's going to be 1 more hose clamp that's holding on the turbo inlet onto the turbo. Once you have that removed, turbo inlet pipe should come right out. So before I install the new turbo inlet pipe, I'm just going to go ahead and take off the factory diverter valve. Now that the turbo inlet hose is out and so is the diverter valve, I'm just going to start transferring over the hose and getting everything back into the car. So I got all the vacuum lines all reconnected, and the N75 valve, and also the MAF sensor. Only thing that's left to do is put the headlight back and the airbox vent. That concludes the installation on the 034 diverter valve and the Forge Motorsports turbo inlet pipe. At the end of the video, I'm going to start the car one time and give you guys a few revs so you can hear what the car sounds like. Other than that, I'd appreciate it if you guys left a comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.